Everyone, today we're here at MWC Doha, and we were very lucky to find some time with CEO of Jazz, Amir Ibrahim, who's very kind enough to have a conversation with us. My first question would be, कि आप इस conversations में यहाँ पे जो multiple things are happening. What has your experience been like so far?
I think this is the first time this thing is happening here in Doha. I think it's good to regionalize some of these conversations. एक तो pace थोड़ी सी slow हो जाती है, जिसका फायदा ये होता है कि you have a better dialogue. So the impact of those conversations is better rather than just going through the tick in the box kind of a thing that we do at larger conferences like Barcelona and elsewhere.
I think your latest conversation on AI, when I attended it, I was a little surprised that, even though we feel like all of us are on the same page with respect to the conversation, but they were very different opinions. For example, आपकी LLM वाली conversation थी. You were the only one on the panel who said that we need one, right? Why do you think that happened?
Takeaways या इस किस्म की बात करें, again going back to the conversation around AI and local language LLM. आज से कोई 125 साल पहले Henry Ford ने कहा था कि यार you can have any car as long as it's black. So he went towards standardization, and standardization has certain benefits. फिर अब हम चले गए in a world of hyper personalization. जो आपको ads नजर आते हैं Facebook के ऊपर या Instagram के, वो खास तौर पे आपके लिए बने होते हैं. And that's the power of our ability to be able to analyze data very quickly and give to the customer, because every customer is unique, give to the customer what the customer wants.
So as a leader who's representing us here, what is your takeaway from that sense? Do you think we're okay? Do you think there are certain areas जहाँ हमें ज़्यादा improve करना चाहिए, या we're okay?
Neither are we okay. ना मैं परेशान होता हूँ.
Okay.
ठीक है. We just need to do more. We need to do better. We need to do it faster. Coming over here doesn't depress me. It energizes me. It's always good to learn from others, and one has to be humble whenever there is humility. Your ability to learn is higher. So I think events like this also gives us an opportunity to showcase what we're doing, and we should not short sell ourselves in what we have been able to accomplish in the environment that we operate in. So far from getting parishan, मैं तो actually यहाँ से खुश भी होता हूँ कि like we have a large beautiful country, we have a huge demographic dividend, and I think if we do a decent job, we will have more stories to showcase around the world. Well, the message to the audience is, whenever you get an opportunity, do travel, meet with people that you don't normally meet, because learning doesn't really happen on your screen, whether it's a small screen or in your classroom or in your office only. Those are good spaces. But I think just be a little bit more experimental and adventurous, and go wherever the opportunity takes you.